Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Johnson here. I'm going to teach you how to use the graphing tool. So you're going to follow the link in the Pizza Lab Sway for the graphing tool. It'll bring up this page from the National Center for Education Statistics, and it is a graphing tool in the Kids Zone. There is a tutorial if you want to watch it. It says create a graph tutorial if you need to. I'm going to kind of walk through the steps with you now. We're going to create a bar graph, so you're going to press on that. You can choose the orientation. I want it to be vertical, so that's already selected. You can choose how you want your graph to appear in terms of rectangle, cylinder, triangle, rhombus, pattern. I'm going to leave it at rectangle, but you can try other things for your 3 graphs if you would like to. So then we've got our design. That's the first tab that we're on. So we are choosing to do bar graph, vertical, and rectangular. Then we're going to put in the data. So we are going to be doing brand of pizza, favorite brand of pizza. So I've already typed in there in the graph title, favorite brand, and then we'll add of pizza. Then we are going to put labels for the X and Y axis. Brand of pizza is going to go on the X axis, and number of people is going to go on the Y axis. You can change the number of data sets here. We have 6 kinds of pizza that I'm going to type in there, and I've already kind of started for us a little bit. So it's set at 5 to begin with, so you just hit the drop down menu and select 6. Then you're going to type in the different brands of pizza that we had. We had Little Caesars, Pizza Hut, I've already put those in. So then we're going to go ahead and add Domino's, Papa John's, then we had Gino's Pizza as well, and then we had local. All right, then you're going to use the data sheet that I have uploaded for all the mass data. Remember, we had Mrs. Gorby, Mrs. Shuttleworth, and my class working together, so we have a lot of data points. So you're going to look at that data sheet, and then you're going to add in the numbers. And I don't know what those numbers are right now. I'm just making up some numbers to type in here. So let's say we had 100 kids who loved Pizza Hut. We had 50 kids who liked Little Caesars, and 25 kids liked Domino's, and then 12 kids liked Papa John's, and let's say we had 10 kids who liked local or Gino's, and then 5 kids that liked local. The maximum value, make it a little bit bigger than your top value so that you've got some space at the top of your graph. So I'm going to put in 125. And the minimum value, I messed up there, guys. I don't want to start over. Here we go. So the minimum value, let's put in 0. And then the max value, let's put in 125 so you have some headspace. All right. So now we have our numbers in. And the labels, you can change the font and stuff on that if you want to. I'm happy with the ABC font that's there, but if you want to change the fonts, you can. You can change the size of the font, the color of the font. I'm okay with just the basics, so I'm going to leave that the way it is. And then you hit preview, and there's our graph. Favorite brand of pizza is the title, y-axis is number of people, and then brand of pizza is on the bottom, and it's graphed it for us. Now, you have to save this graph to put into your PowerPoint. So we're going to hit print, save, and we're going to scroll until we see the download. You're going to press download, and then we want to save this as a JPG file or JPEG. So we're going to go up here to this little drop down box, and you're going to say JPG, click that, and then you're going to press the download button, and it says, do you want to download graph JPEG? Yes. So you're going to download that. Then you're going to find that in your files. So I'm going to press the home button here, go to our files, and There it is, graph 4. You can see I've tried this multiple times already. Graph 4 today at 3:43 p.m. That's where we are. So you know where it is. And we want to press on that. And then it opens it up, and we need to send it to our photos. So there's an export button up in the top right hand corner. You're going to press that, and you're going to press Save Image. And then check to make sure that it's in your photos. So we're going to open that, and you can see right there that I've added it, favorite brand of pizza. Okay, now that you've got it in your photos, you know where it is, then we're going to insert it into our PowerPoint. So I'm going to close that, and I've already opened the PowerPoint for the purpose of this video, so I'm going to go ahead and open it, and there's a slice of science. And the first graph that we wanted was graph 1, favorite brand of pizza, so I'm going to press that one. And then it says double tap to add text. Well, we don't want to do that. We want to insert a picture. So we're going to go up here to insert, and then do you see how it gives you options along the thing? You're going to press photos, you're going to go to your camera roll, you're going to select the picture that you want. Then it pops it right in there, and it's kind of small, so you're going to tap on it to get the circles and squares around it. I don't even know what that thing's called. But anyway, you're going to stretch it out, make it a little taller, so that now your graph is on your slide. And that's it, folks. That's how you get your graph into your PowerPoint. Easy peasy. Call me if you have questions. See you later.